What it do, big hurtem fam? Big fam, what it do? What's good? I'm back in the kitchen today with another video. So we're doing today some homemade chicken strips, you dig? So y'all sit back, relax, grab a snack, and enjoy the video. Yeah. It's big hurtem, so y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright y'all, this is how we're gonna start it off today. We got some chicken breasts right here, we got some more, but you see my cutting board small, so this is how we're gonna cut them up. You're gonna cut them up in the strips. Throw them in my bowl over there. You cut them however you want them. People say you cut them, you're trying to tell you cut it a certain way, but cut them how you want them to be. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? That's one. These gonna be good, cause y'all gonna see the seasonings and all the stuff that I use on them. They gonna be good, trust me. Hey, your bowl, throw them off in. These could be more like chicken fingers, cause they ain't, these breasts wasn't thick. So y'all see how it look, you know what I'm saying? Just something. I'm gonna cut all the rest of these up, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how we gonna season them and everything. And we back at it like a crackhead. Here go my chicken strips. They all cut up. And this one we're gonna be seasoning with. We got some black pepper, some accent, some Tony Chachere's, some garlic powder. We got some yellow mustard, and we got some hot sauce, Louisiana, of course. And sit y'all up and show y'all how I do this thing. My tripod probably too low, y'all probably ain't gonna be able to see in the bowl. But what we finna do? First, we're gonna go in with the yellow mustard. Swirl this around and get all the wall up. Just like that. I know y'all probably can't see. There you go. Go with the hot sauce. As much or as little as you like. You know you do it to how you want it to be. I'm massaging it in good. Like that there. Then we're going in with the garlic powder. The Tony Chachere's. Some accent. Putting a generous bit, because it's a lot of chicken strips here. And the black pepper. Yes, sir. Mix that up real good. That's Just like that. It's supposed to look like that when you get done. Good and seasoned. Go with a little bit more toners. And I can do that this time because it's the low sodium. And a little bit more garlic powder. Just like that. And we're gonna let these sit for a good 10-20 minutes. And we're gonna batter them up and drop them in that grease. Yeah. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna season the flour first. And we're gonna go in with some black pepper. You know you gotta season your flour too. Don't just put no plain flour on the chicken. Some garlic powder. But you ain't gotta put too much though, because you can season the meat too. So learn how to equal it out. Some toners. And some accents. You get you a fork or either a whisk or something like that. I'll use a fork. You mix it up pretty good. It aerates the flour. Make it nice and fluffy. Yeah, I'm making a mess today. But it's all good. Sometimes you make, hey, slinging flour everywhere. It's all good. Get the good results. Have that stirred in like that. Now, for the and this one got 2 eggs. And we're gonna put a cup of milk. I can get the little carton open. Come on now, work with me. Work with me. There we go. Put your cup of milk in with the eggs. Put your few little dabs of hot sauce in there. Then we're gonna beat it up. So we beat them eggs up. Beat that thing up. Just like that there. Beat that thing up. Beat that thing up. Just like that. And we'll be back in a few minutes. We're finna get these things breaded up. And after we get them breaded, we're gonna drop them in that grease bath. You dig? Alright, now y'all, I'm finna show y'all how we're gonna do this. We're gonna flour, egg wash, bag of the flour, put it on the pan. Drench it in the flour, get it good and coated. And you can do the dry hand, wet hand method that you want, but it's still gonna be messy. So it don't even matter. Y'all probably see all that mess I got on the counter now, but I'm gonna clean it up. Into the egg. Make sure it coat good in the egg. In the milk. Back into the flour. Alright y'all, here go the first set. That I ain't got all battered up. My grease over there getting hot. I'm finna get ready to drop it. Be back in a sec. Alright y'all, we're finna Gonna go in the grease. Yes, sir. When you don't crowd the pan, do like 4 or 5 of them. So 4, isn't it? Yep. Do one more. I'm gonna do 5. Back to show y'all the finished product. All right, y'all, here go my first batch. Y'all tell me how they look. They nice and crispy. Yeah. Cool off a little bit on the taste. Let me go and get the rest of them cooked up. And there it is, big fam. My homemade chicken strips and some curly fries. The curly fries ain't homemade, them some Arby's though. But yeah, y'all get in the comment section and tell Big Hurry how he did. And this plate right here, it's on to-go plate, cause it's going home with Lay, the Lay part of Lay Squad. What's up, Lay? I'm gonna send this home with her. Y'all go to her channel and ask her how they was. All right, y'all. Big Hurt on the checkout. Yeah.